Hey fellow affiliate marketer, what's up? Devon Brown here, and you are seeing this short video because you decided to check out my 12-minute affiliate system, but for whatever reason, you haven't decided to give the system a try. And so what I wanted to do is I wanted to make this short video, and I wanted to share with you the top 5 reasons to test drive the 12-minute affiliate system today. And if you're wondering what this is 12-min aff, that stands for 12-minute affiliate. I write too big and I didn't have enough room, but whatever. So, without further ado, here are the top 5 reasons that you will want to test drive the 12-minute affiliate system at the end of this short video. Reason number 5. You ready? Okay, here it is. Reason number 5. Quick and easy setup. With the 12-minute affiliate system, the truth of the matter is that you will not find anything that's easier to get up and running. You can literally have the entire system up and running before you go to bed tonight. And it doesn't matter if you're technically savvy or not. It doesn't matter if you have any experience or not. It doesn't matter if you've never set up your own website or system before. It doesn't matter if you've never made a dime or an affiliate sale before online. None of that matters because the system is that easy and it's that step-by-step and it's that simple. We have people who have literally joined the system at 4 o'clock and had the entire thing up and running by 5 o'clock. And as a matter of fact, there's even an option in the members area for you to just say, hey, would you please set the whole thing up for me? And my staff and I will set up the entire system for you. So it's very quick, very easy to set up regardless of experience. And you can test drive the system for as little as $9.95. So at the absolute least, it's worth the price of a Happy Meal just to check out the system to see if it's right for you. That's reason number 5. All right, reason number 4 to test drive the 12-minute affiliate system is you can pretty much promote any affiliate product you want to with the system. So, as an affiliate marketer, you probably land into one of 2 categories. Category number 1, you're a more experienced affiliate marketer, right? And you want to be able to promote your own affiliate products. And chances are you're promoting products on places like JVZoo and ClickBank and Warrior Plus. And as long as you're promoting products in what I like to call the big 3 niche markets, which are make money online, that's my personal favorite, weight loss / fitness, and or personal development, then you can use the 12-minute affiliate system to promote pretty much any affiliate products you want. That's category 1. Or maybe you're in category number 2, which means you're a newbie affiliate marketer and you're not sure what the best products are to promote or how to find the best products. Well, if that's the case, guess what? We've already built in the top converting affiliate products into the system, so you don't even have to go look for affiliate products to promote. You can literally get the system set up, and once it's set up, the top affiliate products are already built into the system. So, yeah, that's pretty easy. You don't get much easier than that. All right, reason number 5 done, reason number 4 done. Reason number 3 to test drive the 12-minute affiliate system, done for you pizza traffic. What the heck does that mean? Devon, what is pizza traffic? I'll tell you. Pizza traffic is the absolute easiest traffic solution ever in the history of the universe. All right, so here's the problem. The problem is that with so many systems out there, people will get the system set up, right? But they don't know how to get traffic or website visitors to their system so that you can build your list and so that you can make affiliate sales, right? Most systems say, hey, here's the system, and then they try to teach you how to get traffic with Facebook or with Google, and then you've got to go on this whole learning thing, and you got to figure out how to, it's just a giant pain in the butt. What we've developed is what we call our pizza traffic solution. The reason we call it pizza traffic is because if you want a pizza, then all you have to do is pick up the phone or go online and say, I want a pizza, here's where to deliver it, and then you pay for the pizza, and then that's it. And our traffic solution works the same way. All you do is log into your members area, say, I want this many visitors sent to this automatic funnel that was automatically set up for me, and order. And that's it. That's literally all there is to it. So you can literally order traffic to your system in the same amount of time it takes, probably less, as it takes to order a pizza. You don't get any easier than that. So what we've taken is one of the hardest challenges for internet marketers, and we've given you an easy solution that you can finish in as little as 2 minutes. Oh, quick, by the way, bonus. We even show you in the members area how to get discounted traffic on your own, but we'll talk about that later. All right, reason number 2 to test drive the 12-minute affiliate system today. This is awesome. Pay close attention, lean in, and listen up. And yes, this is real. Reason number 2, I'm gonna send you on a free vacation. What? I know, yes, I'm serious. Check this out. And if you don't believe me, just go and test drive the system for $9.95. Look in your members area and you'll see that this is real. Here's how this works. Once you get into the members area, we're going to walk you through a quick start checklist so that you can have the system set up before you go to bed tonight. When you complete that quick start checklist, just tell us where you want to go on vacation. You can choose from places like Las Vegas, Orlando, Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We've got places like Cancun and Nueva Vallarta in Mexico. There's Tenerife in Spain. There's somewhere in Thailand that I can't remember. I can't pronounce the name right, so I'm not going to say it on this video. This is going to sound like an idiot. But there's probably about a half a dozen other places you can choose from. And what we do with 12-Minute Affiliate is just for giving the system an honest try. Just for going in and just getting it set up before you go to bed tonight and giving it an honest try, we'll send you on a free vacation. So let's say that you jump into the system and 2 months from now you're like, oh my gosh, I hate the system, it's not for me, and you cancel. Guess what? You still get to go on your free vacation because all we ask is that you give the system an honest try. You're like, Devon, are you sending me on a timeshare or something? No, it's nothing like that. It's an actual free vacation, and you get to choose from about a dozen places once you give the system an honest try and get everything set up. And if all of that wasn't good enough, wasn't enough of a reason for you to try 12-Minute Affiliate, reason number one for you to test drive the 12-Minute Affiliate system right now is where all the cool, sexy people are. Like, for real. So, let me ask you, are you cool and or are you sexy? Because if you are cool and or sexy, then you need to be involved in the 12-Minute Affiliate system because your people, that's where we're hanging out. And if you're both cool and sexy, then you literally have no reason not to give 12-Minute Affiliate a try today. So, that's it. Those are the top 5 reasons to give the 12-Minute Affiliate system a try today. Right now, click the button that you see associated with this post, with this video. There's a button somewhere. Click it. Give the 12-Minute Affiliate system a try. Just log in. Get the thing set up. And let me prove to you that this is absolutely the easiest way to make affiliate commissions online. And oh, by the way, one thing I forgot to mention that is absolutely important is that we are actually real people who are here to help you. We have a private Facebook group. We have customer support who you can actually call and have you walk through things with you as I'm stumbling over my words. I say that to say that for so many people, they feel like they're left alone. Like they jump into a system and then they feel like they have no help. That's not us. We're actually here to help you and hold your hand with anything that you need help with. So click the button associated with this post. Go give the 12-Minute Affiliate system a try, and then I will see you inside the members area. And then let me know where you want to go on free vacation. All right. Have a great day. Bye-bye.